The $100 trillion of global economy will be transitioning to low-carbon economy, and this transition will bring lots of opportunities within. However, there are huge challenges in this transformation as well. One of the major challenges in the net zero transition is data-related problems. Many companies struggle with incomplete, inconsistent, or unreliable data, which severely limits their ability to make informed decisions about emissions and decarbonization strategies. Building a reliable and continuous data acquisition pipeline is very hard. In addition, manual processes still dominate in many organizations. Without automation and digital tools, tracking emissions and managing sustainability efforts becomes inefficient and error-prone. A particularly difficult issue is the inability to obtain accurate data from the supply chain. Since a large portion of a company's carbon footprint often lies in Scope 3 emissions, not having visibility into supplier data makes it nearly impossible to create a complete and actionable decarbonization plan. Small-medium enterprises have no budget, know-how, or talent for monitoring and reporting their emissions. Even when data is available, analysis remains a challenge. Many companies lack the technical expertise or tools to interpret the data correctly and extract meaningful insights that can drive emission reduction efforts. Another pressing issue is the overload of regulations. The landscape is rapidly evolving, and it's difficult for companies to keep up. Most businesses are so focused on reporting to stay compliant that they end up missing the bigger picture, the actual implementation of decarbonization projects. Reporting becomes the goal rather than the means. In fact, many companies are reporting just for the sake of reporting. They treat it as an end, not a tool. This leads to a lack of focus and time dedicated to real climate action. What's needed is a shift in mindset, from reporting as the objective to decarbonization as the priority.
When we first started the project, our aim was to develop an AI agent for the sake of automating the data collection and reporting processes for sustainability, to increase the operational efficiency just 10%. However, along the way, it turned out to be a transformative platform for supercharging the decarbonization efforts with multiple AI agents.
The April development of demonstration company project on AI application in carbon accounting and emission management, I think is a very impactful initiative because it's the first demonstration company project leveraging the AI application, in this case the multi-agent AI, for productivity improvement.
Our partnership with the Asian Productivity Organization is built on a shared vision to drive sustainable growth through digital and green transformation. The AI in Carbon Accounting project is a perfect example of this vision in action. It has been a remarkable success, creating an innovative model that can serve as a guide for other organizations and firms.
So we would like to showcase the impact of the advanced technology in improving productivity, setting as a benchmark for other able members to learn from there, and also to promote and also encouraging them to have similar initiative in their member country. The second point is that nowadays there is an increasing global demand for environmental, social and governance ESG compliance. And many companies, they are now struggling in collecting the data and how to manage their emissions and also to create their ESG reporting. So by this project, we provide a very powerful tool for them to help them to track and also to calculate and also to generate the ESG report in very effective and also in a very transparent, reliable way. Third point I would like to emphasize is that it also helping the able member country in achieving their national commitment in achieving the net zero emission by 2050 as most of them.
It totally changed our company vision to become an AI-first company, to increase our positive impact tenfold. Instead of 10% operational efficiency, we bring 10x faster, 10x much more efficient, 10x cheaper operations.
As the Ministry of Industry and Technology, the National Productivity Organization of Turkiye, we are eager to take initiatives in the field of sustainability. In this project, together with Asian Productivity Organization, we supported an innovative Turkish company, Faradai. The project team and the consultants worked together. They utilized the latest availabilities in artificial intelligence and they developed an application. This application converts the ordinary accounting documents of a company into standard carbon emission reports.
I believe, and also for Turkey, because as you know that Turkey already committed to achieve net zero emission by 2053. So this is very, a good initiative for the people to increase their awareness and also by applying the advanced technologies to have very information-driven decision to streamline their operation and also supporting the SME, a manufacturing company, in reducing their carbon footprint and for sustainable development.
We are pleased and satisfied with the deliverables of the project, and we would like to disseminate this in the upcoming projects of Asian Productivity Organization and the other initiatives of the ministry as well.
In response to the critical challenges companies face during decarbonization efforts, especially SMEs, in the concept of this project, we've developed a multi-agent AI platform designed specifically for automated carbon emissions and ESG data acquisition and analytics. As we know, many businesses struggle with fragmented, poor quality data, heavy manual processes, and a lack of visibility into supply chain emissions. On top of that, regulatory complexity leads to a situation where companies report for compliance, not for meaningful action. Our platform directly addresses these issues with dedicated AI agents, each responsible for a specific task in the data lifecycle. At the core of the platform is a modular, intelligent system managed by an orchestrator where AI agents collaborate to automate and streamline every step, from data collection to emissions calculation to ESG performance tracking. For example, one agent is responsible for extracting data from JPEG files or PDF documents like invoices, energy bills, shipping records, and supplier declarations. This agent uses open-source LLMs and advanced natural language processing to automatically identify and structure emissions and ESG-relevant data and match it with corresponding ESG questionnaires without manual input. Another agent is trained to analyze financial transactions, categorizing them based on emission factors and linking them to Scope 1, 2, or 3 emission categories. This allows companies to generate accurate carbon footprints in a matter of minutes, even if they don't have engineering or sustainability experts on staff. We also have agents specialized in ESG metrics tracking, monitoring KPIs related to environmental impact, social responsibility, and governance. These agents continuously analyze operational data and map it against globally accepted ESG standards, providing real-time performance insights. What makes this platform especially valuable for SMEs is its simplicity and accessibility. Most small and medium-sized businesses don't have the resources for complex sustainability programs. Our platform removes that barrier by automating the hard parts: data collection, classification, calculation, and reporting. The result? SMEs can move beyond compliance and actually focus on decarbonization and performance improvement. They gain visibility into their real impact, identify reduction opportunities, and build credible sustainability reports, all without hiring large teams or consultants. In short, our multi-agent AI platform turns sustainability from a burden into a strategic advantage. It makes ESG performance and emissions management fast, smart, and actionable. Exactly what businesses need to thrive in a low-carbon economy.
Sustainability management is a very complex and difficult process. It's very costly for the enterprises and it's very hard to find experts in the field. Faradai has a goal to automate this process using AI. Building such a complex and process and with diverse functionalities, it's only possible to do it through multi-agent AI systems. Within this project, we built this multi-agent AI framework as a backbone of Faradai decarbonization platform. So now the team can build new applications easily by introducing new agents, and they are doing it every day. With that pace, they will easily accomplish their goal to become the platform for manufacturers and small-medium enterprises.
The aim of our event is not just showcasing our technology, but also fostering collaboration among sectors to accelerate ESG and decarbonization transformation. A big thank you to all our partners and participants for contributing to this journey.